Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace Nissan Rogue rear wiper arm. Park the vehicle on level ground, open the hatch, lift the wiper arm off the glass, remove the plastic cap, then loosen the retaining nut with a socket. Keep parts organized, check the splines for wear, and swap in the new arm before tightening and testing the wiper movement. Take your time and wear gloves to protect your hands. Gather a 10 mm socket, ratchet, flat pry tool, and replacement rear wiper arm before starting. Remove the plastic cap and nut, then slide the arm off the spline shaft. Fit the new arm onto splines, align it at rest position, and hand tighten the nut before torquing. Test the wiper sweep, adjust if needed, and reattach the cap. If the splines are damaged, replace the shaft or consult a mechanic. Keep the washer fluid reservoir closed and protect the glass when working. Use a marker to note the arm position so the new arm aligns correctly, preventing off-center wiping. Apply a small amount of corrosion inhibitor on the splines if they are clean and dry. Avoid pulling the arm too far to prevent motor strain. After installation, run the wiper through several cycles to confirm proper motion and check for unusual noises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.